So 29 minutes to go and all eyes on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address to the United Nations General Assembly. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached New York where he is scheduled to address the 76th session of the UNGA. He will be addressing the UNGA in about 28 minutes from now. The diaspora, like in Washington DC, but larger in number, welcomed Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The diaspora was chanting Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai outside the Prime Minister's hotel in New York. Now, the Prime Minister is likely to raise the issue of cross-border terrorism, highlight India's contribution to the world during the COVID-19 pandemic, the current crisis in Afghanistan, vaccine Maitri, vaccine export, among other issues. He will leave for India after his UNGA address. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and these are live images that we are getting to you from outside the Prime Minister's hotel in New York. And a large number of Indians outside the Prime Minister's hotel, and this is almost every year. They are there, they're chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai. The Prime Minister also finds time to walk up to them, shake their hand, interact with them. Of course, following COVID protocol this time. He's met the US President, he's attended Quad Summit. He also met US Vice President Kamala Harris at Washington DC. These are some of the images that we are getting to you. I quickly want to cut across to Zeba Varsi reporting from New York for India Today. Zeba, excitement when it comes to the Indian American community, the diaspora, they're excited about seeing the Prime Minister. But what is it that we expect the Prime Minister to say at the UNGA?
Well, in the next 29 minutes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the United Nations debate, the general debate. He'll be the first world leader to address the UN general debate at around 9 a.m. And remember, this is, of course, the first post-pandemic UN general debate. And the theme this year is also building resilience against COVID-19 through hope. So COVID-19, climate change, and a global unity and protecting the rights and needs of the people of the world is the general theme of this year's United Nations General Debate. Prime Minister Modi will be the first world leader to address the UN General Debate in the next 28 minutes. So I'm reporting right outside the UNGA, the UN headquarters here in New York. And of course, we are expecting supporters of Prime Minister Modi, the Indian diaspora to also be here. But, you know, the security is really tight, so they will not be allowed to this point. But we're right outside the UN headquarters, as you can see. And as far as Prime Minister Modi's 3-day US trip is concerned, we know it was power-packed with some very, very high-profile meetings. His first in-person meeting with US President Joe Biden yesterday, in bilateral talks. And the joint statement that was issued reiterated India and US's global stand against terrorism. In fact, the United States of America also reassured India that it is with India as far as bringing the perpetrators of 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks to justice is concerned.
That's a very important point.